Hey guys, Monty here with Kaizink. We are putting some PVC patches onto acrylic beanies, and I'm going to show you the process of that. First thing is we have our settings on our Hotronix IQ Fusion hat press, 280 at the top platen, and then 280 on our bottom platen, and we're going to do a 30-second press. For these, they have a paper back, so we're going to want to remove that paper back first before applying, which I did on this one. And we're going to want to turn our beanie inside out as you would if you were embroidering these. And we're going to slide this over. We got our center seam there, tag on the back, that's the back. I'm going to slide these back over here. I'm going to pull this right to the edge. That way I know it's nice and even. I'm going to grab my patch here and I'm going to put the patch to the very top of that flip up area. Confirm it's nice and straight. And then we have our pad that we're going to cover our PVC patch with so it doesn't scorch the top. Come down. And we're going to wait. And just like that, we've got ourselves a successful patch on a beanie. Turn inside out. There she is.